In this video I'm going to talk you through how to edit notifications for your reviews on Google Map. First thing you do is open up your Google Map and then you tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, tap on settings, then scroll all the way down to notifications, tap on it, and then you get the second one over here is your reviews, tap on it, and now you can set preference for all your reviews. That is, you can edit notifications for your reviews. Now tap on the first one, which is suggestions to write reviews. This will help you get reminders to write reviews based on places you visited. If you want it, leave it on. If you don't want it, turn it off. Then the next one we have is suggestions to write. That's the first one actually. The next one we have is likes, milestones, and badges. Then you turn it on, you get updates on likes and comments and when you earn badges and perks. So if you don't want this, you can simply turn it off. Then we have share and tag photos. Now this is to get reminders to upload photos and tag dishes based on places you visited. If you want this, leave it on. If you do not want this, turn it off, but I want this. So that is all it takes to edit notifications on your reviews on Google Maps. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.